Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to use Restreamio. So I am going to show you guys like what different platforms they have. I might have done this in the past too, and I kind of just wanted to do an updated one, and figured I would like go straight into it. But just to let you guys know, the exciting thing is I am now officially a Restreamio partner. So I stream to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Gaming, Trovo, and DLive all at once. So I am gonna show you guys first the website, and then I will show you how easy it is like to update titles and game categories. And just a forewarning, there may be one site kind of broken with the game category right now, and that's Facebook Gaming. So at the moment, I'm having to add in the game category until they fix that and that gets resolved. But the way I look at it, it's better than the way Kick has, the way it's built in with Kick at the moment, because you have to manually do all that crap, like the title and the game category. And it's all because they haven't released their API yet, and it's ridiculous. So yeah, I'd rather put up with Facebook over Kick at this point. And to be honest, I'm not a big fan of Kick, to be honest. And I just thought I would get into that and just share that. Anyways, let's get it straight into the video. I'm gonna go on the website right now. Alright guys, here we are on the page. So I'm just gonna show you kind of, all the different features they have. They have Stream with Studio, which looks kind of like this. I've never used it. I think maybe once I did. It says allow camera mic. Sure. Allow. Why not? Edit with Studio without camera. Alright. It's because I already got OBS on. So it looks kind of like this. This is how their studio thing looks. It's, oh look, there's my old logo. Let's use Restream. There we go. That's my old logo. That's what I used to use. So yeah, they got the different backgrounds, which is kind of cool like that. They have this. Like I'll be honest, like out of all the freaking, multi-streaming sites I've seen, like Castar and all of that, and I think there was, I kind of forget some of the other ones I've seen in the past, but there was a lot of different ones, to be honest, like a lot of different ones. But I always thought Restream was the most unique one, and their prices and plans are very affordable and everything. And obviously I pay for Restream because I like the different platform support and all that. But I will say, like, one thing that like the one thing I will say though is, like, it sucks most of the other platforms don't show the chat or anything like that. Like, I think YouTube, Twitch, LinkedIn, it's Kick, Trovo, YouTube, I did say YouTube already, pretty sure, DLive. So the reason like these other sites don't show like the chat is because the way they have it set up with the API, if that makes sense. So there's only so much that Restream can do on their end, as well as other multi-streaming sites, because I'm pretty sure it's the same way. So if you wonder why only those sites are, supported, it's just because those other websites didn't really work with them. They get the chat showing, and I thought, and to be honest with you, I thought like Dailymotion would be one of them too, and You know what I mean? So it's kind of what the destinations look like. They kind of look like that. But yeah, like they are interesting. But anyways, they have scheduled events where you can like schedule an event with Restream Studio. You can do it through a video file because you can upload files, video files, create events, playlists. See, I don't use the playlist that much. Like, I just mainly stream and record videos. You can also stream a playlist. So it looks like you can go back and use like old files too, like old streams and stuff. Add video. Let's see what this does. Recordings. Oh, look at that. It recorded most of my stuff here. That is actually kind of cool. So I can rebroadcast these, and it will be as an actual video. I can redo the whole thing. Your trim clip is longer than 30 minutes. Damn. That's pretty long. Record audio in video. Huh. And there's that. Their studio thing is actually pretty cool. So they have the scheduled events here that would happen, video storage, recordings, team. Yeah, that's my email. Black Friday sales, they have where you can invite your friends and you can, you know, earn something from the referrals, which is pretty cool. So this is kind of everything. They have analytics. Like, I won't go into that because I don't like seeing my analytics, truth be told. They have the help center. So you can like go here if you need help. You can go on their site, Restream plans, getting started. So yeah, out of all the sites I've seen, you know, I've used quite a bit of them. The one that's stuck around, that's been one of the best, I would have to say, is Restream. The way they have all their chats set up and everything. And it's very unique. You know, you can do this, you can update your titles all at once. You can put in the game, Animal Crossing. You can also do this from OBS because of the OBS you know what I mean, like the OBS dock they have. So you got all these games here. Dark Souls, Doom Eternal, Fallout 4, God of War Ragnarok. Oh my gosh, I'm surprised they put in the new one. It's pretty cool. iRacing, just chatting. So yeah, not all the games you play will be on here, obviously. Like, this isn't one of the new games too. And just chatting, I remember that. I've done that a few times. But it's cool, basically pretty much all the games you see is pretty much on here. Skyrim, Witcher 3, Wild Hunt. So they put pretty much all the, you know, popular games on here. I think Warzone's on here, I think. Could be wrong. And there's only so many Call of Duties. Black Ops 4. Oh, here it is, Call of Duty Warzone. See right here. So yeah, you do that. You update it, but mind you, Facebook, you gotta do it manually. You gotta update the game category just for now until they end up fixing that. But that's not Restream's fault. That's Facebook and the fact that they broke that. So that's not really their fault. And I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks in OBS now. So we're gonna go back to OBS now. Alright guys, so obviously this is how my OBS looks. You know, you got all my alerts over here. You know, like this is for Streamlabs activity feed. I have this set up. I mean, this is part of OBS. I might as well include it as part of it too. So, you know, I can see like what redeems happen here. Also, I got the Twitch quick action. You can also pop that out. Here's what I was talking about, the stream information. You can just like do it all from here. You can like type in gaming content. You know, all that's right here too. You can do not just from the website, you can do it here too. So the reason why my screen kind of looks like this at the minute is because I'm using my TV. I don't have a secondary screen. So unless, of course, I end up getting one of those portable ones, but I can't afford that at the minute. My TV is my second screen, so I'm just working with what I have at the minute. So yeah, you can do it through here. It shows up in docs here. Actually, you know what? Not here, but where would that be? Not there. Not there. Oh, yep. So it shows up as chat, restream channels, stream information. See all this. That's kind of where it shows up under docs. And that's just the scenes that are not added that I've added. So these are the scenes that are automatically added through Restream when you connect your account. And then Restream chat. And again, it might look a little wonky just because I don't have another screen quite like mine, but you get the idea. It looks just like this. And then all your chats would show it going live when you're streaming. It would light up, you know. So it quite looks like this. Again, I'm not using an actual screen, so, you know, it's just a TV screen. Watch, I bet it looks the same. Yep, about the same, but I'm using my capture card. But anyways, yeah. I got Facebook here. You can even update the titles this way. Look at this. So yeah, I stream on Facebook, DLive, Twitch, Trovo, YouTube, all at once. And I pay for the, you know, 5 destination plan for usually it's 19 a month, but you know, I got it for 15 because I used a coupon. But and I'm also using something called Stream too, which I think is really worth it with Restreamio. So, you know, like Restream, it supports all the platforms. It don't have DLive yet, but it looks like they are working on it, and they have a like a section for that. And you know, like basically they have an account on DLive, but they haven't really implemented the platform on there yet, is what I'm saying. But yeah, that's pretty much what my whole setup looks like. And also this, like my Twitch chat, my Trovo chat for modding, and my DLive chat for modding. Oh, and look at that. Genji followed me earlier. So I'm on all these platforms. I even got all my alerts through Stream, and you know, I see the whole chat just like right here when someone like messages and types or whatever. As you can see, look, you see the chat here, there, there, and there. And you can even add other platforms. So if you wanted to add a channel, you could do Kick. Like all these platforms don't have rechat yet. I know TikTok does, but I don't have a big following on there. Telegram, couldn't tell you. I can't get streaming with Dailymotion yet, so that will happen in time, I guess. And half these other platforms I've never even heard of. Picardo, though, I've heard of, but they're just for art. Steam, they got custom, RTMP. But anyways, that's how you set up Restream. You can add channels. You can, you know, they're doing the Black Friday sale too at the minute. So, yeah. I just thought I would go more into depth into this because I like the last video I did, I didn't like show everything they had. And you know, the video I did months ago was to do with like Twitch's you know, like it was called Drop Twitch and Multistream. And that's kind of an outdated video at this point, but I'm still gonna leave it up because, you know, that's part of my channel history at this point. So I am gonna keep it up. And you know, a lot has changed in Twitch's TOS, as you guys know. So now you can multi-stream as an affiliate or partner. So, you know, they made some major changes. And I just thought I would share a little bit more about Restream's, you know, like how it works. You know, you can sign into it in OBS, and it's a really useful tool if you really want to grow your audience. And like I said, the reason I multi-stream is to build my platform everywhere. I don't want to be stuck on just one platform anymore. I was on Twitch for 5-6 years. And I'm still doing Twitch among other platforms. So, I honestly feel like with everything changing and streaming in general in 2024, you know, we're going into 2024. We're almost there. Like 1 month away, that's 2024. And I think it's just the best thing to do nowadays is just grow your platform everywhere. Stream on YouTube, stream on Kick. Stream on Twitch, stream on Facebook, stream on DLive, and stream on Trovo, you know? Like, being everywhere nowadays, or even if you want to do Rumble with a custom RTMP, you know, or you could do Live Space or, you know, Share Play TV when that comes out. Like, there's so many options coming out, and it just seems like there's just a lot coming around, you know, just like so much stuff coming out. You can even stream on TikTok or Instagram or whatever you want to do, you know, Facebook. So, my best advice, guys, in 2023 going into 2024, multi-stream and use Lumia Stream because it supports pretty much every platform: Kick, Trovo, YouTube, Twitch, Facebook. It even supports Kick. And pretty soon, probably DLive too. So, keep a lookout for that when they drop that support. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I just thought I would do a little bit of a tutorial on how Restream works. And anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Phoenix loves you. Phoenix is out.